Hello guys, today I will explain the AAA pricing model. So we can actually start free because most of you are beginners and you have no idea how you can help your clients. So you can start for free and then learn, and then it's better to start for free than not to do anything, to learn anything. If you are complete beginner, start for free. This is a extremely new field, and if you are new to this as well, you will not know how to help businesses. Your best bet is to create a service as well. Your best bet is to create a service as well as possible. Still has to be high quality, and say, because you are our first client, we will give this to you for free, and if you like it, we will charge 2,000 or whatever, or less, 500 a month. You can give one aspect for free, then learn about the business and offer to automate other things for a price. This is just for the first client, no need to give it for free for other clients once you get testimonials. Keep in mind that charging low indicates that you are not a novice and inexperienced, which is what most businesses would not prefer over paying higher for an expert. Keep in mind that, so you need to work out that into your calculus. I don't know how, this is a complex issue. Clients will pay higher price for safety rather than paying a low price to an inexperienced business partner. That's why, don't if you're charging, maybe it's better not to charge at all if you are beginning. But maybe it's better to give it for free and then do a good, high price, the next month. The first month is free. Something I don't know. You need to think about this. Increase earnings by increasing quality and price of your service, not number of clients. Business is a game of margins, not volume. I heard this from Dan Locke. I don't know if he said it first, but I heard this from him. Some people say clients that pay least expect most. Remember that some people say that. It hasn't been my experience, but a lot of people say it has. Ask about their revenue. Don't be afraid to ask about their revenue, even on the first call. Figure out how much they can afford. Think about how much revenue you can increase to them, and then price based on that. So you need to be increasing their revenue, and you will learn how to increase their revenue by watching my channel. This is my goal, to teach you how to increase their revenue. And you will not know this until you start getting clients, but this is the paradox. You need to get clients to learn how to help them, but you need to know how to help them to get clients. This is the paradox. One way is to get free clients and then start learning how to help them and then charge. Another way is to watch YouTube videos. Another option is to make a bunch of prototypes. Contact a bunch of clients from different industries and see what sticks. But the main problem here is that creating so many prototypes will take weeks. Or will it? Check this out. I made this $9 a month universal prototype. You can just copy paste any kind of prompt. You are an AI book buying assistant. You help clients choose, or customers choose books they want based on the language based on what they say. So you can just copy paste any prompt you want. Right here, this is the chatbot. It's very simple. There is execute code. This execute code is very complex. I was making it for an entire day. So this can you can turn this into any chatbot. Let me see. You get a full video tutorial on how to turn my universal chatbot into any chatbot by copying pasting the prompt. Download the WordPress template so you don't need to remake it. 47 copy-paste prompts that will create 47 different chatbots. Guide on generating any prompt with ChatGPT you desire. So I'm trying to make YouTube my full-time job, and for that I need to get paid full-time from YouTube. I will still do the AI businesses on the side and teach you what I learn, but most of my time goes to YouTube. It must go to YouTube if I want to provide the most value I can to you. And then you get some bonuses like Fitness AI Automation Agency, WordPress download and getting clients explained. And then you get 45 AAA ideas with features, descriptions. Example, home renovating AAA. You need to have provides design ideas and inspiration for different rooms. So this is 45 AAA ideas with these names and examples. And if you subscribe now, it's gonna be $9 a month. I'm gonna be adding invaluable content all of the time. Later, it's gonna be $19 a month. But if you subscribe now, when I increase to $19, you're gonna keep paying $9 until you cancel the subscription. Watch this video, please. This is a recommended video to you that YouTube recommends, so watch it, and thank you for watching.